Hello to all of the MSc Chemistry, same to students. Today, let us see the topic from Physical Chemistry, packing in crystals. That means packing in solids. Students, you already learned about the unit cell and their parameters, and also the arrangement of that unit cells in crystal lattice. You know, the crystal, it consists of particles in the form of atoms, molecules or ions, and these particles occupy the points in the crystal lattice, that means in unit cell. These particles, they have different shapes and size. Therefore, the type of the packing of these particles will be changed according to their shape. These constituent particles are considered spheres of equal sizes. These particles sizes shapes are different, but they are considered only in the form of spheres, which are rigid and incompressible. These constituent particles try to get closely packed together so that they get maximum closely packed structure. This structure is obtained in such a way that the minimum empty space is left between the particles. Closer the arrangement of particles, greater the stability of packed system. By this arrangement, a maximum possible density of crystal and stability of the crystal is achieved. It means that the particles arrange themselves in such a way that a minimum void space will be between their arrangement to get a stable crystal structure. For that, there are three types of close packing in one dimension, in two dimension and three dimension. Firstly, let us see close packing in one dimension. In this type of arrangement, all the particles are arranged linearly in a row, touching to each other. In this type of arrangement, each sphere is in contact with two neighboring spheres. You already familiar with the coordination number. The coordination number is the number of particles that touches to the nearest neighboring particles. In above linear arrangement of particle, you can see that the one particle touches to the neighboring two particles, therefore its coordination number is 2. Now let us see about the close packing in two dimensions. In two-dimensional close packing structure can be generated by placing the rows of close packed spheres side by side horizontally. This can be done in two different ways. In this arrangement, the first is square close packing. In square close packing, the second row is placed in contact with the first row in such a way that the spheres of the second row are exactly above that of the first row. These spheres of the two rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If we call the first row as A type the second row being exactly the same as first one, the second row will also be called as A type because they are arranged horizontally and vertically in such a way that all the particles are in straight line. Therefore, this type of arrangement is AAA type of arrangement. In this type of arrangement, that means in AAA type of arrangement, each sphere is in contact with neighboring 4 spheres. Therefore, its coordination number is 4. You can see in this structure arrangement, this sphere is in contact with 1, 2, 3 and 4 neighboring particles. That means it touches to 4 neighboring particles, therefore its coordination number is 4. If the center of these 4 neighboring spheres are joined, a square is formed. Therefore, this type of packing is known as square close packing in 2 dimensions. Now, in 2-dimensional packing, the second is hexagonal close packing. In this type of arrangement, the second row is placed above the first one in a staggered manner such that its spheres fit in the depression of the first row. In the depression of the first row means this is the space. The first row you can see, and this is the second row B. The second row B is placed above the first row A in the depression in such a way that the spheres of second row exactly fitted in the depression of first row. If the arrangement of the sphere in the first row is considered as A, then the second row is arranged in different way, therefore it is considered as a B. When the third row is placed adjacent to second in staggered manner, its spheres are aligned with those of first row. Hence, this row will be also A type. After that again B type. Therefore, this arrangement is AB type of arrangement. In this arrangement, there is less free space and this packing is more efficient than the square close packing. Each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighboring spheres and the 2-dimensional coordination number is 6 in such cases. You can see the arrangement, how its coordination number is 6. You can see this sphere is in contact with neighboring 6 spheres, therefore its coordination number is 6. The centers of these 6 spheres are at the corners of a regular hexagon, hence this packing is called 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Also, it can be seen from the figure that in these rows there are some voids. These are triangular in shape. These triangular voids are of 2 different types. In one row, the apexes of the triangles are joining upwards and in the next layer downwards. You can see this in the diagrammatical representation. How are the voids? In these voids, the apex is in the upward direction. In these voids, the apex is in downward direction. And you can also see that if you join the centers of these neighboring spheres, there is formation of hexagon. Therefore, this is hexagonal arrangement. Now, close packing in 3 dimensions. A 3-dimensional close pack structures can be generated by placing layers of close packed spheres in 2 dimensions, one over the other. When the closely packed two-dimensionally arranged spheres are placed over one another, it gives to the formation of 3-dimensional close packing arrangement. Now let us see 3-dimensional close packing from a 2-dimensional square layer. In diagrammatic representation, you can see how they are arranged. That means 2-dimensional close packing arrangement is arranged to form the layers above one another, which gives rise to the formation of 3-dimensional arrangement. Now in 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square layer, in such type of arrangement, the second layer is placed over the first layer in such that the spheres of the upper layer are exactly above those of the first layer. In this arrangement, spheres of both the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically, as shown in the diagram, this one. Similarly, we may place more layers one above the other. If the arrangement of sphere in the first layer is A type, all the layers will be of A type. Therefore, this is AAA type of arrangement. This lattice generated is a simple cubic lattice, and unit cell is of type primitive cubic unit cell, and the coordination number for such type of arrangement is 6. In 3-dimensional arrangement, the second one is 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing layers. You can see in the representation, their voids are denoted by AB type voids. The apex of the voids, if are in downward direction, it is considered as B void, and if the apex is in upward direction, then it is considered as A type void. All the voids are equivalent in the first layer. They have marked alternately as A and B. The spheres of the second layer can be either placed on the void, which are marked A, or B, but it is impossible to place spheres on both types of voids simultaneously. When spheres of a new layer are placed on voids marked A, then voids marked by B, they are remains unoccupied. Now let us see a 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer A and place a similar layer above it such that the spheres of the second layer are placed in the depression of the first layer. Since the spheres of the two layers are aligned differently, the second layer is considered as B. Now when on placing these layers on each other, the voids are generated in which T are the tetrahedral voids and O are the octahedral voids. They are represented in the diagram as shown here. If we place the third layer over the second layer, it can be done in two ways. It can be observed from the diagrammatical representation that not all the triangular voids of the first layer are covered by the spheres of the second layer. This gives rise to two different types of holes or voids. Wherever a sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer, a tetrahedral void is formed. These voids are called tetrahedral voids because tetrahedron is formed when the centers of these four spheres are joined. At other places, the triangular voids in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer, and the triangular shapes of these do not overlap. One of them has the apex of the triangle pointing upwards and the other downwards. These voids have been marked as O in the figure. Covering tetrahedral voids to form hexagonal close packing. Tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by spheres of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer. In tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by the spheres of the third layer. In this case, the spheres of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer. Thus, the pattern of sphere is repeated in alternate layers. This pattern is often written as ABAB pattern. This structure is called hexagonal close packing SCP type of structure. This type of arrangement found in metals like magnesium and zinc. You can, in diagrammatical representation of SCP, you can see that. That means this is the hexagonal packing in which layer in the depression of layer A, the particles of layer B are fixed, and in the depression of B, the particles of A are fitted to form the SCP arrangement. Next is covering octahedral voids to form CCP, that means cubic close packing arrangement. The third layer may be placed above the second layer in a manner such that its spheres cover the octahedral voids. When placed in this manner, the spheres of the third layer are not aligned with those of either the first or second layer. This arrangement is C type. That means after B, when arranged on A, the next layer is arranged on B. This type of arrangement is ABC type of arrangement, and the structure obtained is called cubic close packed, that is CCP, or face centered cubic structure FCC. Copper and silver are arranged under this type of arrangement under CCP and FCC. You can see how they are arranged in a diagrammatical arrangement to form FCC, face centered cubic structure.